aPriori. So aPriori only launched like a day or so ago. It's actually did a lot of volume on its initial launch. It's definitely of interest to a lot of people. It's kind of the order coordination layer for these high performance blockchains. Really heavily backed as well. So there's a lot here that is impressive. Now, before I get into any of it, if you are new here, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on this channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these coins. These were all cryptos that I thought could do very well, could make a lot of cash, which is obviously why I bought them up. These were their prices when I recorded and released my videos. These are the highest these coins hit in the last bull cycle, and these are what your profits would have been if you'd have popped $100 into them. If you'd have done that for each one, 100 into each, a $2,600 investment would have netted your profit of over 123 grand. Now that took about 16 months. You don't have 16 months. We're in a bull cycle right now. If you've got cryptos that are not performing for you, coins you are not happy with, you got to get it fixed. If you do not know where to begin, have a look at copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer I'm running right now for all my YouTube followers. You can get full access to the site, full membership for just half price. And there is also a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the site, I share with my members all the coins I own. Whenever I find any crypto that I think can do very, very well, I jump onto my site, I tell my members about the crypto that I think can do well, the reasons it can do well, and the price I'm going to buy it at. Whenever I sell a coin, I do the same thing. So there's no work for my members. They're in and out of crypto, same price as me, so they make the same profit. On the site, you can see some of the profits the members have made based on some of the successes that we have had. Whether that is a meme coin the members were in and out of in just a fortnight, they did over 300x, whether it is Bantam, which in the last bull cycle was one of the best performers. My members got in before basically the rest of the market. They got in at 0.5%. It went up to $3.46. That is just shy of 700 times their investment. This is all public record, so you can verify it all on the history of this channel. And if you like what you see and you want to find out the cryptos that are going to be the winners in this bull cycle, all you got to do to find out, guys, is join up on the site. Now, aPriori. So aPriori launched at around 25 cents, literally yesterday. It hit a high of 73.5 cents. And to be fair, that's obviously not a bad little rally. Now, it's since pulled back. It launched on PancakeSwap, Coinbase, and Binance Alpha. Now, obviously, Binance Alpha is not Binance proper, so there is still plenty of time for this to land on Binance proper. It's also on BitGet. By the way, if you're going to get it, I would highly recommend you check out BitGet. BitGet have the best welcome pack in crypto right now. You can join up with the link in the description. It will entitle you to a $6,200 welcome pack. Now, obviously, you're not going to get that just for joining. You've got to do some activity on the site, but you can scale up and earn as you do it. If you're a futures trader as well, there is an enormous futures tournament right now where you can earn up to you're entitled to a share of 850 grand. And the copy trading community here is massive, so you can earn through that as well. So your successful trades are compounded. If you're not a future trader, don't just jump in on it. For God's sake, you'll get liquidated. But yeah, the link's in the description. So aPriori is the intelligent order flow coordination layer for high performance blockchains. The architecture comprises an order flow segmentation engine that classifies trades in real time and a flow aware engine that directs orders into efficient liquidity pools while isolating riskier ones to resilient paths. The idea is that it integrates MEV capture with a redistribution mechanism, so it returns value to stakers and validators to better align incentives. It was backed by it was backed by Pantera, YZI Labs, and Consensus. The founding team include engineers and quantitative traders that were at Jump, Citadel, and Coinbase. So very, very good team here. So you can just jump in and stake if you were interested in staking. It's very, very straightforward. I imagine everyone should be familiar with staking by now. So your MON is staked and you receive APR MON. And then from there, of course, you are earning. Very, very straightforward. As of right now, total value locked 5.238 million. There are 3.5 million holders. That is pretty damn good. There is an airdrop as well that you can participate in. So all you do is you stake your APR, you receive your staked APR, and the APR tokens themselves can be claimed on the BNB, but they must be bridged to Ethereum here before staking. There is a 10-day unstaking period as well, so it is important that you are aware of that. And like I said, you can bridge and you can use the app if you're interested in the app. So the claim, you literally just check on Ethereum to see if, or check on BNB, probably BNB, to see if you're entitled. And then you've got your Stargate bridge as well. Very, very straightforward stuff. To be fair, the team have been relatively active as well on X. So they shared about the airdrop claim being live a couple of days ago, and everyone has 21 days to choose how they want to do it, whether they claim early, which is a small portion, or they wait for the Monad mainnet, where you unlock the majority later. But once you choose, you're done. So they've shared kind of their launch, of course, and they kind of built up the hype prior to the launch. But they're aiming to be the biggest asset. Well, it will be the biggest asset on Monad, obviously. But yeah, mainnet is not here yet, but it will be, of course. About 6,500 to 7,000, well, just shy of 7,000 holders or so on aPriori, but everyone is using the platform. Everyone is using this to stake and participate. So there's plenty of usage already. There's plenty to like about this. They're also backed by people like Arrington Capital as well. Being backed by Consensus is no joke. Consensus, obviously one of the most well-known companies in crypto, and it allows you to, like I say, really compound the earnings that you want. Interesting project. I'm intrigued to see. You don't see many coins launching immediately on Coinbase, and I know Binance Alpha is kind of a gateway to Binance, effectively, but it's a good sign to be listed on both at the same time. The next thing is how much does the price consolidate at this level? If the price sticks in and around the sort of 38 to 50 cent region, if it stays in that kind of territory for several days, it's going to have a very, very good chance to try and once again rally back to previous highs. This is one that could have a legitimate shot to get to $2, maybe even $3. But of course, the first thing it's got to do is consolidate. We've seen plenty of coins in the past that have launched and then dumped really, really quickly. We've seen plenty that have struggled to break the initial high that it hit when launching. So first thing is consolidate at a decent price point where it doesn't have huge work to start rallying above previous all-time highs. And like I say, if it can do that for 3-4 days, maybe even just a couple of weeks of just solid consolidation, this is going to have a very real shot of breaking its previous high, and then you could be looking at a $3 coin, maybe even a $4 coin. But probably, $3, I'd be looking at the peak. But right now, main thing they've got to do, grow. So they've got to get more holders, they've got to get more users. That's it. Grow, 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 grow. And the more people that are using it, the more people that are interested in it, the more investors you're going to get. And the more investors you get, the better the price is going to go. It's kind of that simple. But what do you guys think? If you're one of the 7,000 holders or so right now, what are you thinking about aPriori? What are you thinking about the team? Are you hopeful of what's going to come in this bull cycle? If you're an early investor, what do you think this is going to hit in this bull cycle? Let me know in the comments down below. And guys, we're in a bull cycle. If you're sitting on cryptos you're not happy with, coins that are not performing for you, you have to get it fixed. If you do not know where to begin, have a look at copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer I'm running right now for all my YouTube followers. You can get full access to the site, full membership for just half price. On the site, I share with my members the coins I own. Whenever I find any crypto that I think can do well, I jump onto my site, tell my members about the crypto, the price I'm going to buy it at, and I do the same when I sell. So there's no work for my members. They're in and out of cryptos, same price as me, so they make the same profit. On the site, you can see some of the profits made, the successes that led to them. Phantom is obviously the number one. Phantom is now known as Sonic, but The last bull cycle, it absolutely killed it. Most people didn't even know about Phantom when my members got in. They got in at 0.5 cent. It went up to $3.46. It was positioned all-time high. It was around like $7 billion market cap, $8 billion market cap. And, 700 times the investment. Some of my members were millionaires off of that one alone. This is all public record. You can verify it all on the history of this channel. And if you like what you see and you want to find out the cryptos that are going to be the winners in this bull cycle this year, all you got to do to find out, guys, is join up on the site. And if you do, I'll see you there. Otherwise, folks, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.